So, umpisahan na natin yung ating basic skirt for women. So, ito yung ating ifa-follow na measurement. So, tatlo lang. Waist, hips, tsaka yung length. Yung hips natin, so, ito yung hips natin, yung original measurement. And then, mag-additional tayo ng 2 inches for hip easing allowance. Kaya magkakaroon tayo ng a total of 42. So, this is the final measurement that we are going to apply. So, una ilalagay natin yung ating borderline dito sa taas. We will going to add to rule a line as our borderline. And then after that, we will going to apply the length of the skirt. So, the length of our skirt is 18 inches. So, we will going to apply that from the borderline that we already ruled downward the desired length of our skirt. Okay, that's it. Then rule a line, another line over there. After that, we will going to add an additional 1.5 of an inch here as a hemming allowance. Our hip measurements should be divided into 4. This one, because we already added 2 inches as a hip allowance, so this is will going to be divided into 4. So 42 divided by 4 is 10 and a half. Alright, our hip level, which is, we will be estimating that a measurement of 7 inches downward from the waistline. Is 7 inches. Now we will going to apply our waist measurement here, which will be divided into 4 again. Now our waist is 37 divided by 4. It should be 9.25 or 9 and 1/4, like this. Measurement of our waistline, but we will going to add another 1 inch for the dart. Okay, this is for the dart that we will going to add here. Alright, so we will going to use this one to carve our hip. Okay, now we will going to apply the dart. We'll just get the middle of this from here. Okay, so the middle is 4 and 5/8. So this will going to be the place of our dart. So we will get one half, both sides, and the length of our dart is 3.5. Okay. Then after that, from here we will going to raise at least 1/2 of an inch, and here lower 1/2 of an inch, like that. Nag-raise tayo dito ng 1/2 inch, nag-lower naman tayo dito ng 1/2 inch, and then itutupi natin yung ating dart like this to smoothen the line here, like this. Alright, so we will be connecting the line from there up to here. Alright, so this is the line that we are going to follow for the waistline. This is the new line, so we will extend this one. We will now remove There. This is our front pattern. For the back pattern, we will follow the same procedure but with a little difference. Ang length natin the same, 18. Itong gagawin ko, ang slit niya nasa harap. This is totally different from an ordinary skirt. But in this style that I'm going to show you, the slit will be transferred at the front here. Later on, I will explain. So let us first do this. And then we will add 1.5 for the hemming allowance. As the hip, 10.5. Okay. Our waist, 9 1/4 plus 1 inch for the dart. Alright. And then, of course, yung ating hip level, which is 7 inches downward from the waistline. Or the hip line like this. Okay. The dart. Same procedure at the front. So we're going to get the half of this, which is 4 5/8, and then the dart will be 1 inch. So we'll put half inch both sides. So the length is 3.5. And then after that, we will going to raise here at least half inch.
Sollevare almeno mezzo pollice da questo lato.
Like that. We will fold this like this, and we will alright, so okay. Pattern. Okay, pattern lang natin dito yung ayan, 4 and 3/4, tapos dito 4 and 3/4 din. Okay, so dito natin ilalagay ngayon yung ating slit. So for example, here is 7 inches. This is just an example, okay? So the slit is 7 inches. So before we going to finalize our pattern, but first we will copy the marking of our to fold. Okay. Hirap, no? So ito siya, 'di ba? Ito yung ano natin. So ito yung fold, oh. O ayan, oh, nandito yung fold. So makakapa naman natin 'yan, eh. Ayan, oh. Ayan. So guguhitan natin 'yan. Okay. So ang gagawin natin, ilalapat natin ito dito sa guhit na to. Ayan. Dito natin ilalapat. Pipin tayo para hindi mawala sa lugar yung ating design. Okay. Right. This is the slit that we will going to like this. Okay. All right. Like this and like that. So ayan, so magkakaroon tayo ng ganito. Another. That's it. Alright, so this is now our final front pattern for the basic skirt. So this is the slit. So tatahiin natin yan dito lang. Ayan, para magkaroon siya ng slit. Cover yung slit, hindi siya open. Okay? Ganyan lang siya. Ito yung front pattern. At ito naman yung ating back pattern. Okay. Okay. Okay, sana may natutunan na naman kayo sa ating tutorial for today. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga bagong videos. Okay, so kita-kits tayo until next time.